My name is Sajeev. I'm Tourist Information Officer, Kerala Tourism. Today we are organizing a B2B meet between the sellers of Kerala and the buyers of Hyderabad. So here we are going to organize this kind of meeting, not only in Hyderabad, but day after tomorrow we are organizing this kind of B2B meet in Bangalore, and after that we are organizing in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Kolkata, and Chennai also. So this is a buyer-seller meet. Here, the sellers of Kerala is going to be meet the buyers of Hyderabad, and Kerala Tourism is providing a platform for this business.
Okay.
So Kerala is a small state situated in the south part of India, and Kerala is famous for its natural attractions, our serene beaches, exotic wildlife, hill stations, and as a wedding destination, Kerala is famous for these kind of things.